welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here, and today I'm sharing with you the recipe for Nourishing Scalp Massage Oil. So basically this is the oil for dry hair. All the oils we're going to use, they're like botanical oils. They combined with soothing essential oils, they really create moisturizing scalp treatment. So let's not waste any time and start by preparing this mixture. I'm going to prepare it here, so you could either use it right away or store it away. So it's up to you. We're going to need several oils. So the first oil will be Hobo Oil in the amount of 4 teaspoons. I will just have to use it like that, so I don't spill a lot. Right, so that is 4 teaspoons here. The next oil we're going to use will be Rosy Oil. Every time you buy Rosy Oil, maybe put a date on it when you open it up, because it expires pretty soon, like half a year should be. So we'll need 3 teaspoons. So this one's gonna go faster, guys. So that's 1 and 2. And the last one is 3. We're done. We're done with this oil. And the last oil we're going to add in here will be the Evening Primrose Oil, also in the amount of 3 teaspoons. If by any chance you do not have one of the oils, you could substitute them with olive oil. Make sure it's a good quality olive oil. So now we're moving forward and we're adding the essential oils. For this recipe, I love adding lavender, geranium, and chamomile. We're going to use 4 drops of lavender essential oil. Go ahead and add 4 drops of that. Now we need 3 drops of chamomile. Was 4 drops, that's fine. And 3 drops of geranium. I love geranium oil. The smell of it, the calming properties. All I'm going to do is just mix a little bit like that. So you're done. As you can see, this is the oil obviously for several uses, depending not only on your hair. I would say if you have dry hair, you know, if you have dry skin, dry scalp, you could apply it on your scalp, but don't really go crazy, do it daily. Do it once or twice a week until the condition gets better. So now, guys, the way you're going to use it. Obviously, this is a massage blend. So you are going to gently massage it into your scalp. And then you could leave it around for 30 minutes. You don't really need to put any heat, really cover it up. Then you would need to remove it by washing your hair with your chosen shampoo. And I would suggest you use it regularly to maintain scalp health. But if you know that you have damaged hair, you know, not the scalp itself, but like the length of the hair, you could apply it on your length as well, because of all the oils, it will also moisturize and nourish your hair. And obviously store it in cool, dry place away from sunlight. It would keep for up to 6 months, as I said. Rosy oil is not really, you can keep it for longer. Now always store it in the refrigerator, and maybe store this one in the refrigerator as well if you can. And I would, in the description down below this video, I would put all the oils I've used. Always perform a small patch test before applying it on larger areas, especially your scalp. Now, because your scalp is so close to your eyes, be extra cautious so nothing really gets into your eyes. And again, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up. I hope you will love this recipe and you will feel your hair, your scalp will feel a lot better after using it. And I wish you guys to stay very happy and healthy. Bye. See you later.